Good morning, Kipsters, and welcome to the Blue Group. Now, I'm really excited because we're actually going to work with a bigger whole today, and our whole is going to have 4 digits instead of just 3. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to put our whole inside the house, 6,247. And we're going to divide that into 29 groups, split it into 29 groups. So first I need to make my X's and my seats. Can 29 go into 6? Nope, so an X pops up. 29 can go into 62. So from now on, I'm going to put a seat on top of the rest of my digits. So my quotient is actually going to have 3 seats, 3 numbers. So I always first think about estimating to get the best guess of how many times my divisor rolls into my whole number. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to roll 29. That's going to become a 30. So I'll roll my 3s until I get to 62. So 3, 6. Oh, it looks like I should stop. So a 2 should pop up. And 29 times 2, remember, is not 60. We have to check it real. So 29 times 2, that gives me 58. So a 2 pops up and I say 29 times 2. Let's see if I can get that. That's a 58, Kipsters. I apologize for that number. So I can't subtract 2 minus 8, so the 6 becomes a 5. 12 minus 8 is 4, and 5 minus 5 is 0, and I'll bring down the 4. So now I have to do it again. I have to ask myself, does 29 go into 44? How many times? Well, let's look down at our roll it. When I did 29 times 2, I got 58, and 58 is bigger than 44, so a 2 can't pop up. It looks like it's just going to have to be a 1. And 1 pops up, and 29 times 1 is just 29. So when we subtract, a 4 turns into the 3 because we have to borrow, and 14 minus 9 is 5, and 3 minus 2 is 1, and I bring down the 7. So now I ask myself, how many times does 29 fit into 157? Let's continue rolling. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, go and add my zeros. Oops, I had a 0 there. So I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now I'm definitely going to check that. 29 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 145. Oh, it looks like it works. So I'm going to pop up a 5. 29 times 5 is 145. And when I subtract, it looks like I have a remainder of 12. Now remember, we definitely need to check our answers. So to check our answers, we'll multiply our quotient, which is 215, times our divisor, which is 29. Let's see, 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Clean the house. Make Mama happy. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. Let's see here. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, and 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to add that up. 5, 3, 12. So now I have 6,235, excuse me, but I do need to add the remainder to that. So I'll bring that over on this side. So 6,235 plus 12, and that gives me 6,247, which matches my original whole. Kipsters, I hope you learned how to divide 4-digit wholes divided by 2-digit divisors. Go ahead and try number 2 and check your answer on the answer key. Good luck, Kipsters.